Today, I'm teaching you guys how you guys can connect your Instagram with Facebook. It's pretty simple. Now, you need to remember, whatever Instagram account you're currently logged in on, the app of your Instagram on your phone, that is the Instagram that is going to be linked with your Facebook. So log in into the Instagram which you want, and click on menu at the bottom right of the screen. Once you click on menu, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right of the screen. From over here, in the blue color, you can see the option called See More in Account Centers. Click on that. Once you do that, scroll a bit down. You will see the option called Accounts. Click on Accounts. From over here, you will see the option called Add Accounts. Click on Add Accounts, and it'll show you your Instagram account, which is currently logged in on your Instagram app. So I have 2 accounts logged in on my Instagram app. So I'm going to choose the one which I want to link with my Facebook. I'm not going to link the other one. So the one which is take marked is going to be linked with my Facebook. So if I click and continue, I can finish adding. Then the Instagram will be connected with my Facebook account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful on how to connect your Instagram with Facebook, hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.